Have you ever clicked Remind Me Tomorrow on a software update so many times that the update started feeling ignored? Or used the same password for 10 different accounts and thought, what are the chances anything bad happens? And let's be honest, most people lock their front door every night but leave their digital life wide open. The scary part isn't that hackers are always getting smarter. It's that many people keep making the same cybersecurity mistakes every single day. Today we're exposing the top 10 cybersecurity mistakes people make every day, and more importantly, how to avoid them. If you enjoy cybersecurity, ethical hacking, digital privacy, and learning how to stay safe online, smash that like button, comment which mistake you've been guilty of, and subscribe because this channel helps you become smarter and safer online. Number 10. Using weak passwords. Passwords like 123456, password, QWERTY, are still being used every day. Attackers know this. A strong password should be long, unique, and difficult to guess. Number 9. Reusing the same password everywhere. Imagine one website gets breached. Now attackers try that same password on your email, banking apps, and social media. That's why every important account should have its own password. Number 8. Ignoring software updates. Many updates contain security patches. Delaying them means leaving known vulnerabilities open. Updates aren't just about new features, they're often about protection. Number 7. Clicking links without thinking. Scammers love impatient users. Before clicking any link, pause, check the sender, inspect the URL, think first, click second. Number 6. Downloading apps from untrusted sources. Not every app is safe. Some contain malware, spyware, or hidden trackers. Always verify the developer and download from trusted stores. If you're still watching, comment, cyber aware. And don't forget to like and subscribe because the biggest mistakes are still coming. Number 5. Using public Wi-Fi carelessly. Free Wi-Fi is convenient, but not every network is trustworthy. Avoid sensitive activities like banking or entering passwords on unknown networks. Number 4. Sharing too much online. Many people unknowingly share birthdays, locations, family details, personal information. Sharing too much online. Birthdays, locations, personal information. Attackers can use this information for scams and social engineering. Number 3. Ignoring multi-factor authentication. One password is no longer enough. MFA adds another security layer and can stop many account takeovers. It's one of the easiest security improvements you can make. Think of MFA like adding a second lock to your front door. Even if someone steals your password, they still need another form of verification before gaining access. This could be a code sent to your phone, an authentication app, a security key, biometric verification. Many major account breaches could have been prevented if MFA had been enabled. Cybersecurity professionals recommend activating MFA on email accounts, banking apps, social media platforms, and any service that stores sensitive information. A few seconds of extra verification can prevent months of headaches. Number 2. Trusting every email or message. Not every message is real. Scammers often pretend to be banks, delivery companies, employers, social media platforms. Always verify before responding. Attackers know people are busy. That's why phishing messages often create urgency by claiming your account has been locked, your payment failed, or a package couldn't be delivered. Their goal is simple: make you react before you think. Before clicking any link, check the sender carefully and verify information through official channels. A legitimate company will never be upset because you took a few extra minutes to confirm a message is genuine. Number 1. Thinking it won't happen to me. This is the most dangerous mistake of all. Cybercriminals don't only target celebrities or large companies. Everyone has data worth protecting. Awareness is your first line of defense. Many victims never expected to become targets. They assumed attackers would focus on someone else. But cybercriminals often look for easy opportunities, not famous victims. Your email account, photos, passwords, financial information, and personal data all have value. The safest mindset isn't fear, it's awareness. Remember, security isn't a product you buy once. Cybersecurity isn't about being paranoid. It's about being prepared. Small daily habits can prevent major problems later. Use strong passwords. Enable MFA. Update your devices. Think before clicking, and stay informed. Because in today's digital world, security isn't optional, it's a skill. If you learned something new, smash that like button. Comment which cybersecurity mistake surprised you most. Subscribe for more cybersecurity and ethical. And share this video with someone who still uses password 123. Stay smart, stay alert, stay secure.